squish her. Don't squish her. Oh, she opened her eyes. You woke her up. Are you pooping, Miss Lucy? I think she's working on some poop here. Are you pooping? Your brother's pushing on you. So you'll poop. Logan, are you sleeping? Are you in Mama's bed to sleep? That's what you just said, that you were going to sleep. Yeah, don't jump on the bed with Lucy on it. Can you lay down on the pillow and sleep? Okay, now, who would complain about having kids sleep on command? No, leave them on. This one's squeaking. She does lots of squeaks. And she's got a stuffy nose. Wish we knew why that was. And Logan, are you still sleeping over there? Yeah? You sleep with your head like that? Yes, hi. This one's having a hard time waking up. You're having a hard time waking up, aren't you, Lucy? Yeah, watch out. Don't go near us over here. Yeah, your little sister's over here. Oh, look, the eyes are open. Hello, Miss Lucy, eyes open. Ah, Logan's here to annoy you. Give you a little brotherly cuddle. You're wondering if she saw. She's gonna play? She just pooped, I think. We almost had the noise on the camera to her joy many years later. Oh, look at all these squeaks that we're getting. Is she happy? Yeah. What's over there, Logan? The bottles of water? Yeah. Yeah? I'm looking. You're on the camera. Be gentle around baby Lucy. I think they should take her out of the bed before you. I see you. I see what you want. No, you can't have the camera, Logan. No, you can't have the camera. Oh, are you ready to wake up, sweetie?
Is that my baby?
No, she's not sleeping anymore. She's pooping. She's working on a morning poo. And she's whistling.
Oh, baby,